Hi, my name is Rockland, and for months now I've been making videos encouraging you to travel more and see what this world is like. And yeah, I know you probably want to travel more, but you see so many obstacles in your way. You probably think, when are you going to have time? Or how are you going to get the extra money it takes to have an extravagant vacation? Who's going to watch the kids? And where should you go? And one thing that probably makes you put traveling on your proverbial to-do list is you think, why travel when you could be at work making more money for your necessities? I mean, because we all know bills are mandatory. And then there's the media that's always freaking you out, claiming that anywhere other than where you live currently is the most dangerous place in the world. But if you do just a little bit of research, you know that not to be true. But those worries would make the most adventurous heart back down and stop you from doing what you want to do. And they tame your dreams back to false and unfulfilling realities that'll make you go back to your cubicle and forget you ever thought something like that. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like that? What if I told you it's safe out there? What if I told you that the places that you always wanted to go would welcome you with open arms? And do you know why they would love for you to come? Because you'll be bringing that tourist money. And some economies will not even hold together if it wasn't for the tourist money. But that leads you to your second question. Where would you get this type of money, and when would you have time to make it? And that's where the free booklet, Passport King's Guide to Making Money Online, comes in. All you have to do is enter your first name and your email into the little box below. Once you do, you'll get my free booklet on how to make some money online so you can travel more, and I'll keep you up to date with any parties or events that I know about that's coming up. Plus, you'll also know about all the new Passport Kings videos that I'll be putting up on YouTube and other video hosting sites. But more importantly, you'll get my booklet free of charge delivered right to your email address once you put your name and your email information in the box below. It'll be a 6-chapter course that'll give you all the insights and the knowledge that I've learned of how to make money online and how to make money while you're sleeping, if you're awake, if you're at work, or if you're traveling. Begin making a steady stream of income in just a few weeks. And that will give you the freedom to live the extravagant travel lifestyle on your days off. But here's where it really gets good. You won't have to learn any special skills. You don't even have to be that good at the internet. Best of all, if you keep using the skills that I provide in my 6-chapter course, you will eventually start making enough money online that'll make you think about replacing your old 9-to-5 job. This book is completely free, and in the first chapter, I'll show you a way to make a little bit of money right now from a well-known Amazon site. So before you even finish reading the first chapter, you'll have tools to be able to make a little bit of money right now. Again, just fill in your name and your email address in the little fields below, and you can get started right now.